Comparison is a thief. Measuring your Chapter 1 against someone else's Chapter 20 is a recipe for misery. The 24-hour rule. Never respond in anger or extreme excitement until a full day has passed. Ownership is power. The moment you blame someone else, you give them power over your happiness. Action creates clarity. You can't think your way out of a rut. You have to do your way out. Believe people's actions, not their words. Talk is cheap. Behavior is expensive. Happiness is a skill, not a destination. Your no defines your yes. Every time you say yes to something trivial, you're saying no to something vital. Character is what you do in the dark. Who you are when no one is watching is the real you. The spotlight effect is a lie. Nobody is thinking about your embarrassing moments as much as you are. They're too busy worrying about their own. Trust your gut. Your subconscious picks up on patterns your conscious mind misses. The 5 people rule. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. Listen to understand, not to respond. Most people are just waiting for their turn to speak. Boundaries aren't walls, they're gates. They let the right people in and keep the wrong ones out. Consistency beats intensity. A 20-minute walk every day is better than a 5-hour run once a month. Forgiveness is for you, not for them. It's about dropping the heavy luggage. Kindness costs nothing, but buys everything. Don't take criticism from people you wouldn't go to for advice. Protect your focus. It's your most valuable currency. Done is better than perfect. Eat the frog. Do the hardest thing on your to-do list first thing in the morning. Discipline picks up where motivation leaves off. Pain is inevitable. Suffering is optional. The way you do one thing is the way you do everything. Expectations are premeditated resentments. Vulnerability is a strength. It's the only way to achieve true connection. Comfort is the enemy of growth. Wealth is what you don't see. It's the cars not bought and the clothes not worn. Value your time more than your money. Luck is where preparation meets opportunity. Never lose money on a sure thing. Your environment shapes your behavior more than your willpower. Everything is a trade-off. If you're the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room. Regret is heavier than failure. Seek wisdom, not just information. Hydrate before you caffeinate. Digital minimalism. Your phone is a tool, not a leash. Move your body every day. Sunlight is the best medicine. Keep your space clean. A cluttered room is a cluttered mind. Nobody is coming to save you. You are your own hero. Life isn't fair, and that's okay. You get what you tolerate. Growth is often lonely. Not everyone is going to like you, and that's a good sign. A maybe is a no in disguise. Praise in public, criticize in private.
Stories stick, facts fade. Honesty without empathy is cruelty. Play long-term games with long-term people. Plant trees under whose shade you do not expect to sit. Compound interest applies to habits too. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Don't let your past kidnap your future. Every no brings you closer to a yes. Keep your sense of humor. It's the ultimate survival mechanism. Be humble in success and graceful in defeat. Leave everything a little better than you found it. Love is the only thing that multiplies when you divide it. Master the art of the pause. Silence is a powerful conversational tool. Body language speaks louder than words. Be interested, not just interesting. Keep your promises, especially the ones you make to yourself. Speak slowly, think quickly. Admit when you're wrong immediately and emphatically. Move your body every day. Sleep is a performance enhancer. Don't brag about being sleep deprived. It just means you're operating at a deficit. Eat the frog. Do the hardest thing on your to-do list first thing in the morning. Done is better than perfect. Multitasking is a myth. You're just switching tasks poorly. Consistency beats intensity. A 20-minute walk every day is better than a 5-hour run once a month. Forgiveness is for you, not for them. It's about dropping the heavy luggage. Kindness costs nothing, but buys everything. Don't take criticism from people you wouldn't go to for advice. Protect your focus. It's your most valuable currency. The way you do one thing is the way you do everything. Feelings are data, not directions. Acknowledge them, but don't let them drive the car. Expectations are premeditated resentments. Vulnerability is a strength. It's the only way to achieve true connection. Stay a student. The moment you think you've arrived is the moment you start to decline. Control the controllables. Let the rest go. Comfort is the enemy of growth. Practice memento mori. Remember that you will die. It puts small problems in perspective. Wealth is what you don't see. It's the cars not bought and the clothes not worn. Value your time more than your money. Don't build your house on someone else's land. Don't rely solely on platforms you don't own. Solve bigger problems to get bigger rewards. Financial freedom isn't about the number, it's about the options. Invest in yourself first. Skills have the highest ROI. Live below your means, but within your dreams. Negotiation isn't a battle, it's a collaboration. Don't outshine the master. Be useful, but don't make your superiors feel insecure. Boundaries aren't walls, they're gates. They let the right people in and keep the wrong ones out. Arguments are rarely about the topic. They're usually about unmet needs or feeling unheard. If they gossip to you, they'll gossip about you.
Apply these lessons to your life, son. You won't get it right every time, but show up anyway. No one is coming to save you, and that's what makes you strong. Choose discipline over comfort, integrity over convenience, growth over fear. Be the man you needed when you were younger. Be the best I know you can be. And if you reached this far, support the channel. It helps this message reach the right people. Thanks, son. I believe in you.